So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I was just checking some analytics of my channel, and as you can see on your screen that the impression of my videos are like 16.2k, and the total views are like 1,000 right now. And if you talk about the videos, so I've been uploading daily videos since November 17, and today is like 3 December as you are watching this video. So I've been uploading consistently every single day, and I'm getting 25 plus 25 above views. Like this is pretty insane. And the average duration, the watch hour, the views, all are going perfectly fine with my opinion. Nothing is wrong with that. I'm not running for views, but the thing that is irritating me is like the feedback. Recent days I'm asking a lot of friends to give me the feedback regarding the videos. How are they enjoying the videos? How are the videos? What should I improve, what should I not, what should I keep in mind while making the videos? So some are saying your videos are good, you need to work on this specific thing. Some are saying your videos rating are 2 out of 10. Some are saying 7 out of 10. And with this thing I can literally improve my videos. But as I'm seeing that my loyal viewers are like 15 to 20, and they are not commenting on any video. Seriously, if you're commenting, it's not gonna make me any money. It's not gonna make my videos viral. It's just gonna help me improve my content. Just that's the thing. That's the single thing. If you comment on my videos, that's amazing. I will improve that. I will make the content. Currently, I'm uploading daily, but when I made the channel, I was like, I will upload for the 30 days daily, and I will keep this mind that every video should be good quality than the previous video. I work really hard on my videos, like 4 hours daily at night because I don't get enough time in the morning. That's why I work on my videos at daily night. So yeah, there's a reason. And so I hope you understood all the things, and yeah, that's the single thing that I just want to say. And yep, that's it is for today. See you in the next one. Bye.